Good evening, my compatriots in the Gambia and other parts of West Africa, as well as in Europe, and of course East Africa. And good afternoon to those of you in America and in South America. Gambia, it's not often that we are in the news for positive things. But this time around, Gina Bass has put Gambia on the news for things that are very positive. She has performed in ways that no one in the Gambia had thought she could. She has shown that Gambia, though small, can do great things and can be made great by our citizens. Gina, I congratulate you, and Gina, I celebrate you, and I would wish all Gambians to celebrate you. And in this call, I ask the President of the Republic to lead all of us in celebrating you. You are our icon. You are one that we are all proud of, and we can show that pride in you by the President decorating you and with a national award. This way, he would be acting on behalf of every Gambian to show that what you have done is appreciated, and if indeed it will serve as further encouragement to others who look unto you as their role model, who also want to be another Gina Bass. And it can be done. I congratulate you, and I wish you all the best in your pursuits in Japan in the next Olympic Games. I am sure we will all be receiving at the airport from Japan with great honor, because I have absolutely no doubt that we will perform better in Japan than we have performed in the past. We have continued to pray for you, Gina, and we continue to celebrate you. And thank you, my compatriots.
Ok, avec Gina Bass, la Gambienne qui a remporté le 60 mètres féminin ce soir à Mondeville. It was your first race on 60 meters. We never saw you on this distance before. On vous avait jamais vu sur 60 mètres auparavant. Comment ça s'est passé? When did your race go?
Yeah, it was my first event in 60 meters, and it was in Mondeville here. I'm very glad and happy to be here competing for my first race.
Ah oui, effectivement, c'était ma première sortie sur 60 mètres et j'étais vraiment très heureuse de l'effectuer à Mondeville. C'est un public vraiment chaleureux, j'ai beaucoup apprécié ma course. Are you happy with your time?
Yeah, I'm happy because I have never done 60 meters. If I can run 7.2, it's really good for the start.
Ouais, mon chrono est très bon en plus, c'est vraiment un bon début sur le 60 mètres. Alors Gina Bass, c'est une coureuse de 200 mètres plutôt, elle a terminé 6e des championnats du monde à Doha. You came 6th in the World Championships in Doha on 200 meters. What's the objective running on the 60 meters indoors? Quel est l'objectif justement de venir courir sur du 60 mètres en salle?
My objective to run 60 meters is to make my start, because start is my problem. So running 60 meters, it will improve my start. So that's why I run 60 meters this year.
Alors moi, mon gros défaut justement sur le 200 mètres, c'est un peu mon départ. Donc c'est pour ça que je viens courir en salle sur le 60 mètres pour travailler ce départ et c'est cette mise en action. What will your objectives be for this season? I guess, of course, Tokyo is in your mind. Quels seront vos objectifs cette année avec évidemment les JO de Tokyo?
Yeah, I have already qualified. So the best thing to do is to concentrate and be in the final as I do in Doha, and to be the medalist this year by the grace of God.
Alors si j'ai réussi à le faire à Doha, je peux réussir à nouveau à le faire à Tokyo. L'objectif sera tout d'abord de rentrer en finale du 200 mètres aux Jeux Olympiques, et ensuite évidemment l'objectif c'est d'accrocher une médaille. Do you think that you can beat all these American and Jamaican athletes? Vous pensez que vous pouvez battre justement les Américaines et les Jamaïcaines sur le 200 mètres?
Yeah, I hope. I believe in myself. If you believe in yourself, you can do it. So I believe in myself and I know I can do that.
Oui, évidemment. évidemment, je pense que si on croit en ses propres chances, on peut faire quelque chose de très grand. Moi, personnellement, je crois beaucoup en mes chances, donc on verra, mais l'objectif sera vraiment d'accrocher un podium à Tokyo. Thank you very much, Tina.
Thank you, merci.
Merci.